Hi, this is Lady Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the most amazing event in Smart Village here in Cairo, Global Game Jam. I'm pretty sure all of you gamers know what I'm talking about. When I get there, I'm going to explain a lot more. I just wanted to let y'all know I'm on the way. It's a really amazing event and it happens all over the world. So stay tuned to find out more. Now we've arrived at the event and we're about to go inside. This is where we're going and it's going to be so much fun. I'm very excited. It looks pretty lively. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So now I'm at the Global Game Jam. There are so many people here. Last year, this exact location here in Cairo, in Smart Village, they had the most amount of people that it went in the Guinness Book of World Records, so that's pretty cool. Basically what happens here is everybody comes on the first day, which is Friday, and it starts in, I believe, 805 countries. And what they do is they all come here and they have many workshops that start about 11 a.m. learning different sorts of programming, artistry, etc. I will give you a full I'll give you a rundown of it. On the first day, they all come together. At the end of all of the things that they have going on, they are given a theme. And this year's theme is what home means to you. They're going to have to develop a game around all of this. So it's really interesting. What are they going to do? Something regarding protecting their home. Like, how do you build a game around it? I believe it's a really cool idea, and it gives you a lot to work with and to be really creative. After that, they start to look for somebody to work with. What you need first is your programmer, an artist, sound, animators, yada. There's so many different things that they're looking for. The most important thing is the programmer and the artist. So if you've got those two, you're doing good. If you can get more, you're doing even better. And what they do next is they sit down, come up with an idea, which it takes a long time. The most time is what I've been told, and they start working on the program. They have a very limited time. That's the thing, you know, this event starts Friday, but Friday evening is when they actually have the time to start working on it, starting from scratch. Everyone will pick an engine and start from there. This all has to be created from Friday evening and finished before 4:30 on Sunday. Today, it doesn't give them a lot of time, so they have to work hard, they have to work fast, and you know, building a game is like not an easy thing. Even if you don't know how to make a game or you don't know anything about gaming, you can still come and watch and enjoy the process. They have people coming here from all walks of life, engineers, artists, a lot of different people are coming here, and they come for some of the seminars, the training sessions, and they also come to sit and watch the designers and the programmers create these games, just coming to learn. Everybody's coming here. Last year, they had a speaker. Her name is Susan Bull. She's the head of IGDA. She came here and gave a speech and viewed all of the games that they were making. So it was really exciting for everybody having her here. This year we have two other speakers. I'm going to try to interview them if I can and get some information from them and see what they have to say about this event. So now I am here with Mr. Omar and Mr. Hassan, and this is the game that they've created.
This is our game that we have made in the Game Jam 19. So there's a little bug there.
Okay, so you have some bugs.
Yep.
You couldn't find a bug fixer, could you?
Yeah, but we don't have time yet. We can't.
Of course. That's the bug too?
No, this is a bug. I filter in the spikes.
Why does it keep restarting?
Because it keeps dying.
Yeah.
Is it really dying?
Yeah.
Look, here's that
now.
Why does it look like you have lava underneath it?
It's other wall.
Another world.
And
It's like a game.
and how does this relate to what does home mean to you?
Because at the end of the road, like she needs to survive and get to her home.
Get to home.
For safety. Nothing can touch her.
Being safe.
So getting home safely, that's what home
Yeah.
means to you guys?
Yeah, it's like safety and security and shelter, basically. The game's called Heaven's Haven because the girl's name is Heaven, and she's like reaching for her haven.
Okay, that's really cool. This is so fascinating.
Now I've finished the book.
We have 6 minutes.
6 minutes later.
It is the time and everybody is being called to come in and submit their work. Everybody's a little nervous and on edge. I've seen some people running. Everybody is just rushed into the auditorium. The place is getting much more empty. We will go in a short minute. I will let you see behind me some different people doing different things. As you can see, it's clearing out. Now I'm going back into the room that I was interviewing the guys and breaking the bad news that they need to go. Go, go, go. They're calling you guys. Anna, what is the mood tension like in here? Are you guys nervous? Stressed? Scared?
Nervous because like tired.
Yeah.
Tired? Yeah, could you imagine 3 days? You're not tired. You got some good sleep on the floor? No, you went home. You live close enough.
Yeah.
Did you go home? You?
All of them went home without.
Ah.
Yeah,
Did you just sleep on the floor here?
I wish.
The floor is like, it looks comfortable. So, did you finish? Because everybody's gone.
We are almost finished.
We hope that.
Did you record the video?
Now he-
You got to the home? You got to the home?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's awesome.
Finally, we
I'm very proud of you guys. Anyhow. So, we're gonna go to the, what is it, auditorium? We're gonna go to the auditorium now and watch all of the designs from all these super awesome gamers. See you in the next shot. So now we're gonna go and watch and see what all the people have created, and I'm sure it's gonna be absolutely amazing, a lot of fun. The energy is really, really just so nice in here. All I can say is go gaming. I love gaming. And you guys are gonna see me gaming very, very soon. I'm gonna start uploading, and it's gonna be very intense, very fun, and very interesting. Maybe completely different than what other people are used to seeing. It's gonna be off the schnizzle, off the shangs, off the telephone. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Anyhow, we better rush and get in there so we can catch all of the designs, and yeah, look, come with me.
team are like they were made in this jam except for one. Yeah, and we'd like to welcome Unity to give us a closing speech.
Hey everybody. First of all, we'd just like to say thank you so much for having us and being so amazingly friendly and warm and welcoming. So yeah, it's just amazing to be here and to meet many of you and help many of you. I helped many of you on some of these, and it's been amazing to see where you was then to then what the finished product was as well. But yeah.
Yeah, I know for a lot of you this was your first game jam, and did everyone have a good time? Amazing! That's great, that's great. Yeah, all these games that we saw were amazing in each individual way. The kind of skills that you guys demonstrated, the things you must have learned through the last sort of 2 days. It's fantastic to see how you guys are actually taking the initiative and teaching yourself these things.
Yeah, and obviously all of this couldn't be done without the amazing organisers, so I think everyone deserves a round of applause. We've been chatting to IDGA Egypt about what the next steps are for this community in this local region and how to get the word of what's happening here further afield. So I'm sure the world will be hearing more about Egypt, the IDGA Egypt, and you guys very soon. So you should be very proud of yourselves, what you've created here, and how many of the studios that we've met over the last few days are progressing outside of Egypt to get a name for themselves. So I see amazing things going to be happening in the next few years, and you'll be seeing us again soon. We're looking at coming back again this year or next year, but the plan is to come back and see everybody again. So yeah, thank you so much. Shukran.
Okay, I'm here with John O'Reilly, and he is from
Unity.
and they are here in support of
Global Game Jam 2019 in Cairo at the ITI, the Information Technology Institute.
I wanted to ask you, how do you think this year went? Like, how was it going into it and through it, and what was your thought process through it all, if you don't mind?
Okay, so I've done a few game jams before, and this is my first time here in Egypt, and first time here in Cairo, and this is the largest global game jam site in the world.
Last year was they had a record or something.
I don't know how many people it was.
Yeah, I don't know either, but they broke the world record.
Yeah, no, it was really kind of interesting to see, especially how everyone in Egypt just kind of develops games in a slightly different way. What they find interesting about developing games and how that informs what they're making.
Okay. How do you like Cairo?
Cairo,
The first time?
it's really cool. It's quite literally
very cool.
Cold.
Yes.
Are you kidding me? I'm from the UK, so it's like raining and snowing there. Right now.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So it's like room temperature here everywhere, which is really, really good.
Really? Do you feel like that? I don't feel it like that. Like, I'm from Canada, and it's very...
Then if you're from
I'm
Canada.
so cold. Like, I swear my home is colder than even outside. Like, I find it very cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
But it's warm for you. Walking around is fine. But I think in the home, like, it's like colder.
Yeah. The only thing about Cairo though is that when we first got here, like getting used to the roads, how everyone drives.
Everyone just kind of goes with their own flow.
Yeah, it's a little bit like Mad Max, not quite
Yeah.
that level, but yeah.
Yeah, I really want to do a video on the road driving, but it also scares me, like how I would go about doing it. Did you go anywhere interesting? Pyramids or anything?
Well, we haven't gone anywhere quite that interesting yet, but the game jam here is like interesting enough.
What other place have you went to in
For Global Game Jam.
Yeah. What other places have you been for Global Game Jam?
So I haven't been anywhere previously for Global Game Jam. This is actually my first official Global Game Jam. Before I've done other game jams, but they've just been sort of in my university, or it's quite common to do online ones. I've done a couple of game jams where it's just sitting in my bedroom.
Okay. Are you surprised by the younger people these days being so intelligent with these?
Yeah.
It blows my mind, so I was just wondering about you.
Yeah. So it's constantly like meeting people. I was speaking to someone who's just 15 actually.
and they've been writing code since I think they said they were 8.
Yeah.
And it's crazy, and it really shows that their skills are they're getting so much more advanced at such a younger age.
That's true.
And what they're capable of making is just mind-blowing.
Yeah, I can't even imagine 8. Being interested in that at 8 is interesting for me.
Yeah.
That's really cool though, and it's, can't wait to see what happens to, I don't know, maybe the next...
Entrepreneurs?
Like entrepreneur in his own way. Like I could see him if he keeps consistent with this and going very far. It's very intelligent, a young child. Anyhow, thank you so much for the interview, and I hope you enjoy. I don't know if you're staying here, but I hope you enjoy your time here. Okay. We are heading back to home sweet home. Actually, I have like some errands to do, so I totally have to do those first, and then I will go home and eat because I'm starving. But it was like an absolutely amazing fun day. There's so many things, and they all had a great time, and the games that they produced were really, really cool. So everyone had their own different take on what home means to them. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on, and stay tuned for more. I'm going to be putting some gaming up, and I would love to hear some critiques. That's it. Good night. Bye.